Political tensions are heating up as the state gears up for what will be a very hotly contested election. Prime Minister Modi in Malda, a very crucial area where he was there amidst an intensifying political battle in the state over SIR, which is correction or scrubbing of electoral rolls, the special intensive revision that is a regular practice. PM Modi is in Malda district where he held a rally, hit out at Bengal government and said that every day some or the other instance of TMC misrule comes to light, and said that people of Bengal now want a development-oriented BJP government. Development, growth, Vikas is the big pitch of the BJP in these elections. TMC, meanwhile, has dismissed the visit as politically motivated, claiming it is unrelated to Bengal's development, and has even termed Prime Minister Modi as anti-Bengali.
बंगाल के सामने एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती घुसपैठ की है। आप देखिए, दुनिया के जो विकसित देश है, समृद्ध देश है, जहां पैसों की कोई कमी नहीं है, वो भी अपने यहां से घुसपैठियों को निकाल रहे हैं। पश्चिम बंगाल में भी बहुत जरूरी है कि घुसपैठियों को बाहर किया जाए। टीएमसी के नेता, टीएमसी का सिंडिकेट सालों से यहां घुसपैठियों को बसाने, उन्हें वोटर बनाने का खेल खेल रहा है। जो घुसपैठिए हैं वो गरीब का हक छीनते हैं, नौजवानों का काम छीनते हैं, बहनों बेटियों पर अत्याचार करते हैं और देश में आतंक और अन्य अपराधों को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। यहां की टीएमसी सरकार बहुत ही निर्दयी है, बहुत ही निर्मम है। केंद्र सरकार गरीबों के लिए जो पैसा भेजती है, उस पैसे को यहां टीएमसी के लोग लूट लेते हैं। टीएमसी के लोग बंगाल के मेरे गरीब भाई बहनों के दुश्मन बने हुए हैं। उन्हें आपकी तकलीफ की कोई चिंता नहीं है। वो तो अपनी तिजोरियां भरने में जुटे हुए हैं। टीएमसी की गुंडागिर्दी अब बहुत दिन चलने वाली नहीं है। टीएमसी की गुंडागिर्दी का भी अंत होगा और गरीबों को डराने धमकाने वाली टीएमसी की राजनीति भी समाप्त होगी। टीएमसी के राज में स्कूल, कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी में भी बेटियां सुरक्षित नहीं है। यहां शासन प्रशासन में निर्ममता ऐसी है कि बेटियों की कोई सुनवाई नहीं होती। पीड़ितों को बात बात पर कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है। साथियों, इस स्थिति को बदलना होगा।
Ritik Mandal joins us live on the broadcast from Kolkata. He's tracking battleground Bengal for us. The pitch is heating up, Ritik, and the BJP is quite clear. You know, in this electoral battle, their pitch is going to be growth, development, Vikas.
Well, definitely. Prime Minister's Nirmam Sarkar jibe at Mamata-led government is the keynote or the takeaway of the entire speech what he has given in Malda rally just a short while from now. Remember, he has reiterated that Nirmam Sarkar jibe to hit out at Mamata government. He has came down heavily left, right and center against Mamata's Gundagardi or the lawlessness that is taking place in the state of West Bengal. And remember, the battleground has been drawn, and over several issues, be it over the SIR or the demography change or the lawlessness in the state of West Bengal, Prime Minister targeted the Trinamool Congress party, and what we can consider, it can be seen in the backdrop of that the top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to boost its party line and office bearers across its party men to gear up and to hit out at Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool Congress government. Remember, Prime Minister has also flagged off the alleged demography change in districts like Malda and Murshidabad.
I was coming to just that, Ritvik.
In Malda, which also considers
I was coming to just that Malda is actually extremely important politically, electorally, and the pitch that the Prime Minister gave there essentially sets the tone for BJP's Bengal campaign.
Definitely, what we can see that we can understand that when this election is around the corner, it's high time that BJP leaders should gear up for this high-pitched battle, and it's come as a moral booster for its party men when Prime Minister was speaking at an event in Malda. Remember, in past few days, Murshidabad, the adjoining district of Malda, is simmering, it's boiling. Prime Minister has categorically stayed over the alleged demography change, and what we can understand, be it Prime Minister Amit Shah during their visit, they continue to flag off the issues like this illegal immigration in the state of West Bengal. They keep telling us that they want to protect Bengal's border, and
right.
That is high time that BJP wants to take over the power in West Bengal. And with that regards, Prime Minister's today's speech was very, very crucial. Remember, in the past few months, Trinamool Congress is attacking Bharatiya Janata Party over the entire SIR exercise, and they said mostly that the Motua community people,
yes.
of the Hindu Motua community who have been migrated in this part of Bengal for years, their name will be deleted following this SIR. Prime Minister also spoken over that, and he has assured the member of the Motua community
yes.
that no one will be deleted following SIR. So it can be considered it was a very big and important statement given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Indeed.